With so many opportunities to write and earn extra money on various websites, it's quite tempting to jump into the world of writing. Sites like Listverse, Writers Weekly, A List Apart, Skyward, and The Sun magazine are paying around $200 per article, with some offering up to $1,000. Hey there, welcome to Lazy Life Hack. But what if writing isn't your strong suit, or you just feel a bit lazy? Well, I have something exciting to share with you. We're exploring the world of AI chatbots that can help you create articles. Let's get started. Here are the top 5 chatbots for effortlessly creating stellar articles. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful tool created by OpenAI that helps people with writing. It's like having a helpful assistant who can provide ideas, draft articles, blogs, and even tutorials. Whether you're a student, blogger, or professional writer, ChatGPT can make your writing tasks easier and faster. ChatGPT can help you come up with new ideas when you're stuck. It can suggest topics, headlines, and even the structure of your content. It can write drafts quickly, saving you time. You can get a lot of text written in just a few minutes. It helps maintain a consistent tone and style throughout your writing, which is especially useful for blogs and articles. It can help you correct grammar and spelling mistakes, making your writing cleaner and more professional. For those learning to write, it can serve as a tutor, offering examples and guidance on how to improve. Sometimes, the writing can feel a bit generic. It might miss the personal touch and unique voice that human writers bring. It may occasionally provide incorrect information, so it's important to fact-check the content it generates. While it can generate ideas, it may not always come up with highly creative or original content. It works best when you guide it with specific instructions. Using AI to write content can raise ethical questions, especially if it's not clear to readers that the content was generated by an AI. Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is a helpful tool for writing articles, blogs, and tutorials. It works like a friendly assistant, suggesting words and phrases as you type. It's like having a smart friend who knows a lot about writing and can give you ideas when you're stuck. It can speed up your writing process by offering suggestions and completing sentences for you. If you're writing technical content, Copilot can assist with code snippets and explanations. It can help spark ideas by providing relevant suggestions based on what you're writing about. You can also create images with Copilot just by typing text prompts, enhancing your content visually. It can generate any art style you specify in the text prompt. While it may not be perfect, it can come very close to your desired result. Best of all, generating images is completely free. There's a risk of relying too much on it and not developing your own writing skills. Sometimes, it may suggest incorrect or irrelevant words or phrases. Since Copilot learns from publicly available data, there may be concerns about privacy and data usage. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is a powerful tool designed to help you write with ease. It uses advanced algorithms to generate text that sounds natural and engaging, making your writing process faster and more efficient. It can help you generate content quickly, saving you time and effort in the writing process. The tool produces high-quality writing that is coherent and well-structured, helping you create professional-looking articles and blogs. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, drafting outlines, or generating full-length articles, it can assist you at every stage of the writing process. You can customize the output to suit your needs, adjusting parameters such as tone, style, and word count to match your preferences. Since Perplexity AI generates text based on existing data, there is a risk that the content it produces may lack originality and uniqueness. While the tool is great for generating straightforward content, it may struggle with more creative or nuanced writing tasks. Google Gemini AI. Google Gemini AI is a robust tool designed to help with writing tasks like articles, blogs, and tutorials. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating content quickly and efficiently. With Google Gemini AI, you can expect to receive suggestions, corrections, and even completions for your writing, making the process smoother and more productive. It can speed up the writing process by offering suggestions and completing sentences, allowing users to focus more on their ideas rather than getting stuck on phrasing. By providing corrections and enhancements, it can help improve the overall quality and readability of your writing, ensuring it meets high standards. Whether you're writing articles, blogs, or tutorials, It can adapt to various writing styles and formats, making it a versatile tool for different purposes. Relying too heavily on Gemini may hinder users from developing their writing skills or relying solely on automated assistance. While it is advanced, it may not always provide perfect suggestions or completions, requiring users to double-check and edit the generated content. Users should be cautious about the data they input into Google Gemini AI, as it may store and analyze information for improving its algorithms, raising potential privacy issues. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is designed to assist you in brainstorming ideas, crafting content, and refining your writing. With Jasper, you can receive suggestions and corrections to enhance the quality and readability of your work. It provides valuable support for your writing tasks, offering suggestions and corrections to improve your content. While it's not free, it offers high-quality assistance compared to other chatbot AIs, ensuring better results for your writing projects. It helps you write faster by providing prompt suggestions and completing sentences, streamlining your writing process. Jasper AI is not free. It requires a monthly payment of $39 per month, which may be a drawback for some users. While it can help with writing, it may not always generate the most creative ideas, relying on user input for inspiration. Depending too heavily on Jasper AI may hinder your development as a writer, as it's essential to practice and improve your skills independently. Quick recap. ChatGPT, versatile for various writing needs, but double-check for factual accuracy. Copilot, great for speeding up your writing and even generating images, though it may sometimes suggest irrelevant content. Perplexity AI, excellent for generating high-quality, coherent text, though it might lack creative flair. Google Gemini AI, efficient for writing tasks, but keep an eye on privacy concerns. Jasper AI, offers high-quality assistance, but comes with a cost. These AI tools are perfect for bloggers, students, and writers looking for an easier way to produce quality content. Just remember to use them as assistants rather than replacements for your unique voice and creativity. So go ahead, give them a try, and take your writing to the next level with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy writing, and see you next time.